You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, including from Irish, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll definitely want to listen to and learn from. Pronounced as Lehane, Lehane. Some may say it also as Lehane. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know. And where are you from? Are you from Ireland? How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.